I have a 2023 Nissan Pathfinder, and I already made a video about this, but this is from y'all's point of view. So you start the car, and you can hear like a whining sound. See if you can hear it. Okay, so that whining sound is coming from the fuel pump, and if you come out, you can hear it somewhere around this area. Okay, and I have another video where I have the car lifted, and you could definitely tell it's coming from the fuel pump. Now this is going on around. I went ahead and messed that word up again. It's going around everywhere, man. Let's fix that. Replace that fuel pump. 23 Nissan Pathfinders. Good job.